Hello, I'm J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today we're going to talk about our Tier 1 modules. So we have people ask us all the time, hey, what type of solar panels do you install, right? Do you install LONGi, do you install Qcell, do you install Panasonic, like what do you install? And the truth is, we haven't found the one brand that we're ready to be able to marry, okay? But what we have decided that we're going to do is we're not going to install anything that is not a Tier 1 module. So what I want to go over today with you is kind of what does that mean? Like, what's a Tier 1 module? Why would you not specifically select a module to install all the time? And the reason why we don't is really about availability. So all of you are starting to see solar all over your neighborhoods, right? And more people are moving into this market and installing solar. And so because there's such a demand, okay, on solar panels, it's actually hard to get a specific brand. So what we've decided to do is, look, we are going after the best value. We are gonna make sure that we install really great solar panels for you at the best possible price that has the best possible production. There are 3 criteria for a Tier 1 module set by Bloomberg Financial. The first criteria is that it has to be manufactured by an institution that has a strong financial backing. Keep in mind, these solar panels come with a 25-year warranty, so they have to make sure that the company is going to be around in 25 years to be able to honor that warranty. The second part of a Tier 1 module is the fact that it has to be able to withstand 1-inch hail at 50-mile-an-hour winds at a direct impact, okay? The third criteria is that it has to be able to continue to produce at least 80%, okay, of what the module is rated for at the end of the 25-year warranty. So just to give you a little recap, the reason we install Tier 1 modules is because we don't know exactly what we can get our hands on. We have huge solar fields going up all over this nation, which will sometimes put a strain on what we can get, but we always install Tier 1 modules. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about Solar Power of Oklahoma or solar in general, please go to our website or to our YouTube channel to learn more.